everybody, I have ready for you amazing sexy booty workout. It's a series of booty workouts, so absolutely amazing. Please like it, share it, subscribe so everybody can work out with us. This one is only 5 minutes long, so 5 exercises, each exercise for 1 minute. Let's do this, let's go for it. Our goal is to strengthen, tighten our glutes and our thighs. And let's start. I'm going to use the timer, so each exercise is for 1 minute. And let's go. Let's start in a dog pose and bring the leg all the way up and down, up and down, up and down for 1 minute, and keep your core tight. And let's go. And you guys do amazing. If you want to, you can put some nice music on and just enjoy the workout. You can do this one at home or in the gym, whatever you want to. Okay, so we have 25 seconds left. Keep your core tight. This one also helps you to reduce appearance of cellulite. So we have about 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job. Stretch it out. And let's go on the other side. So the other knee, the other leg, up and down, up and down. Keep your core tight and let's go for 1 minute. We can do this. Let's go. As you go up, as you lift up the legs, squeeze your glutes. Go all the way up. Squeeze it, and we have 30 seconds left. Up and down, up and down. And let's go. 20 seconds left. You do amazing. I see you. 10 seconds. Perfect. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Let's go down. Let's change it. We go down to bridge. One of my favorites. And you lift up your glutes up and down for 1 minute. Try to bring your feet, your heels close to your booty and lift it up. Squeeze your glutes and go down. Up and down, up and down, and let's go. Keep your core tight. Down and up for 1 minute. 1 beautiful minute. Only 30 seconds left. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And let's go. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze it and squeeze it. We have 15 seconds left. Up and down. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. Perfect. Now cross your legs. And you go up. Squeeze your glutes and down. Up and down. Up and down. So basically you work just one of your glutes. And let's go, squeeze it for 1 beautiful minute. Up and down, up and down, up and down. We have 30 seconds left. $20 left. As you are up, squeeze your glutes. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze. 10 more. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Perfect. Let's switch. Cross and you lift and down. Lift and down. Lift and down for 1 minute. And let's go. 1 minute. You guys do amazing. Let's go. 25 seconds left. And then, guess what? Then that's it. So it's only 5 minutes, but if you want to, you can repeat it. You can make it 10 minutes if you want to. And let's go. Last 10 seconds. Up and down. Keep your core tight. 3, 2, and last one. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So this is only 5 minutes booty workout. You will love it, you will feel it, you will shape your glutes, and that's it. So please like it, share it, subscribe. Check out my Get Ready for Bikini series of workouts. Check out other Perfect Lean workouts. I will see you in my workouts. Have a beautiful day and bye-bye.